I will show you how to start page numbering from any page. So first of all, go to the Home tab and make sure that you have these paragraph marks on, that you can see them. So this is only a 4-page document right now, but I want to start page numbering from page 4, from here. So actually the first thing I need to do, I need to go to the previous page, which will be page 3. Right here, it will be end of the page. Now I need to go to the layout, breaks, and insert a continuous break, right? So you essentially create a new section here without changing the format. And now double click here at the bottom of the page to open the footer and header section. So we have this right here now. And now we just need to make sure that we have few things ticked the right way. So different first page. So this needs to be ticked. That's correct. Untick link to previous. We don't want that. Okay. And now go to page number, format page numbers, and make sure that this here says 0. That's important. Click OK, right? Everything's fine, everything's updated. And now go back to page number and just select what you want. I like having them at the bottom of the page. Let's select this one. Here you go. So now let's check if it actually worked. So I'll just create quickly another page. So yes, we have page number 2 now. And before that, page number 1, we shouldn't have any numbers on the previous pages. Yes, this is clear. This is also clear. And that is as well. There you go.